You slept 8 hours last night, yet you woke up feeling like a truck ran over your entire exhausted body. This is not laziness. Your brain is actively drowning in a silent chemical storm that drains your daily energy reserves. Every single day, millions of people drag themselves through life, completely unaware of what is actually happening inside their bodies. It is a hidden cycle of metabolic failure. Your cellular power plants are quietly shutting down their operations right now. No amount of expensive gourmet espresso can fix this core issue. In fact, it might be making it far worse. Your body is sending desperate warning signs, but you ignore them because society tells you to keep pushing forward today. So, why are you always exhausted? The answer is not what you think. Let us uncover the real truth now. Prepare to see your body in a whole new way. The reality of fatigue will absolutely shock your mind today. Meet adenosine. It is a chemical that naturally builds up in your brain during every single waking second of life. Think of adenosine as a tiny sleep pressure gauge. The longer you stay awake, the higher it climbs up daily. When adenosine binds to your brain receptors, it signals your nervous system that it is time to rest right now. Enter caffeine. It is an imposter molecule that perfectly blocks those receptors, hiding the real fatigue from your tired brain. But caffeine does not actually create energy. It merely delays the inevitable crash that will hit you hard later today. While you feel temporarily energized, the adenosine continues to build up behind that block, like a massive charging storm. Once the caffeine wears off, that giant wave of accumulated chemical pressure floods your exhausted brain all at once tomorrow. You instantly crash hard. You reach for another cup of coffee, starting this vicious cycle all over again every day. Next, let us look at mitochondria. These are the microscopic power plants floating inside every single living cell you own. They take food and oxygen, converting them into adenosine triphosphate, the universal currency of cellular energy we require to live. When you eat junk food, you overwhelm these delicate power grids. They stop producing energy and start producing toxic waste. This cellular waste is called oxidative stress. It slowly damages your tissues and makes you feel incredibly heavy and slow. Your cells are essentially starving in a sea of toxic surplus. No wonder you feel completely drained of raw vitality. Then comes light. Your eyes have special sensors that detect blue light, which tells your brain it is daytime outside. When you look at your smartphone in bed, you trick your brain into thinking the sun is rising right now. This instantly halts the production of melatonin, the crucial hormone that allows your body to enter deep sleep tonight. You might sleep for hours, but you miss the deep restorative phases. You wake up feeling totally exhausted once again. But then, things get much worse. Chronic low-grade inflammation begins to silently spread throughout your entire tired physical body daily. Your immune system is constantly on high alert, fighting imaginary battles that drain your precious daily biological energy reserves dry. This constant state of high alert releases cortisol. It is the primary stress hormone that ruins your overall sleep quality. High cortisol keeps your heart rate elevated and your mind racing, even when you are desperately trying to sleep now. You are physically resting, but your nervous system is running a marathon in the dark while you lie there. Most people never notice this invisible tug of war. They just assume they need more sleep to feel better tomorrow. But more sleep will not fix a damaged circadian rhythm. It is like pouring water into a leaky, broken bucket. Your biological clock is completely out of sync with nature, causing a permanent state of painful, deep mental jet lag. Even worse, chronic fatigue alters your brain structure. It actually shrinks the prefrontal cortex over a long, toxic time period. This makes it incredibly difficult to focus, regulate your emotions, or make smart decisions throughout the busy, chaotic modern day. You become highly irritable, anxious, and deeply unmotivated. Your brain is literally starving for essential, high-quality deep rest cycles nightly. Your body starts storing excess fat because it thinks you are in danger, further slowing down your metabolic rate daily. You feel heavy, slow, and completely trapped in a foggy haze that clouds your thoughts every single waking minute now. You try to push through with sheer willpower, but your biological systems are actively fighting against your daily survival efforts. It is a biological defense mechanism. Your body is forcing you to slow down before permanent damage occurs to organs. If you ignore these vital signs, your risk of developing chronic metabolic illnesses increases by over 50% very quickly. Your cardiovascular system suffers, your immune defense weakens, you become highly vulnerable to every single common sickness around your environment. This is not just about feeling tired. This is a slow, silent collapse of your entire cellular physical engine system. But how did we get here? Why is modern life specifically designed to keep us in this permanent, exhausted state? Let us look at some shocking statistics. The modern reality of severe sleep deprivation is far worse than you imagine. Did you know your brain uses 20% of your body energy? That is more than a burning home light bulb. When you sleep, your brain activates a unique waste disposal system called the glymphatic system to clear metabolic toxins out. It literally flushes away toxic waste proteins that accumulate, preventing serious long-term brain cell damage and severe cognitive mental decline. Without deep sleep, these toxic proteins build up, paving a clear path for severe neurological disorders later in your life. Think of your brain as a busy restaurant kitchen. If you never clean it, things quickly become incredibly messy daily. Furthermore, your stomach microbes play a massive role. 90% of your body's serotonin is manufactured inside your gut tissues. If your gut microbiome is damaged by processed foods, your sleep neurotransmitters will become completely and totally out of balance. You are literally eating yourself into a state of permanent exhaustion by feeding the wrong, toxic species of gut bacteria. Here is another mind-blowing fact. Just one single night of poor sleep increases insulin resistance by over 30% tomorrow. Your body suddenly processes sugar like a diabetic person, leading to massive energy crashes after every single small meal eaten. You are caught in a chemical roller coaster, chasing quick sugar highs that inevitably plunge you back into deep exhaustion quickly. Even minor dehydration can reduce your physical performance and cognitive energy levels by up to 12% very easily today. Most people walk around chronically dehydrated, wondering why their mind feels completely sluggish, heavy, and slow during the entire afternoon. Your blood thickens when dehydrated, making your heart work twice as hard to pump oxygen to your brain cells daily. This constant physical strain drains your system before you even take a single step outside your front door each morning. Additionally, modern indoor lighting is 10 times weaker than natural sunlight, confusing your inner biological master clock system every day. We spend our days in artificial twilight and our nights in artificial daylight, completely shattering our healthy ancestral biological rhythms. This severe circadian disruption is classified by international health organizations as a probable carcinogen for human beings living today globally. Your body is desperate for the natural, ancient cycles of light and dark that guided our ancestors for many generations. We are biological creatures living in an artificial, highly unnatural digital cage. The price we pay is chronic, deep fatigue. Fortunately, you can fix this. Scientists recommend 3 simple, powerful daily habits to fully reclaim your natural biological sleep energy. First, view bright natural sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. This immediately resets your internal master circadian clock daily. This simple, powerful action anchors your entire daily rhythm, ensuring you feel alert now and sleepy later at night. Second, delay your caffeine intake by 90 minutes after waking up to avoid that sudden afternoon energy crash completely tomorrow. This allows adenosine to naturally clear from your system first, rather than building up behind a tight chemical caffeine blockade. Third, stop eating food at least 3 hours before bedtime to allow your digestive tract to completely rest and recover. This ensures your body focuses on cellular repair during sleep, rather than processing heavy, toxic meals all night long daily. Keep your bedroom completely dark, cold, and entirely free from digital screens that emit highly disruptive blue light frequency waves. These simple physical adjustments will instantly optimize your deep sleep quality, making every single hour of rest count double daily. Drink a huge glass of pure water immediately after waking up to quickly reverse dehydration and thin out sluggish blood. Feed your gut microbiome with diverse fibers and fermented foods to boost production of critical sleep-regulating melatonin hormone transmitters. Take several short walks during the day to stimulate mitochondrial activity and boost oxygen circulation throughout your entire physical body. Manage your psychological stress levels through deep breathing exercises that activate your calming, highly restorative parasympathetic nervous system right now. These habits are incredibly simple, but their cumulative impact on your daily energy levels is absolutely and deeply life-changing. Consistency is key. Small, healthy changes today will build a powerful foundation for a highly energetic, vibrant, active lifestyle tomorrow. You do not have to live your busy life in a permanent, painful, heavy fog, feeling exhausted every single day. Your body wants to run efficiently. You just need to provide it with the right environmental and biological signals daily. Listen to the warnings. Respect your biological clock. Fuel your cells with clean water, bright light, and daily physical movement. The energy you seek is already inside you, waiting to be unlocked by your smart, conscious, healthy daily lifestyle choices. Stop fighting your biochemistry and start working with it. The energy results will surprise you in a highly positive way. Share this video with someone who is always complaining about being tired or feeling sluggish every single busy day. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite energy tip. Let us start a useful health conversation about our metabolic recovery. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more deep scientific explanations about how your incredible body really works. Take back complete control of your energy levels starting tonight. Your physical body will truly thank you for it tomorrow. And tomorrow morning your brain will wake up, ready to start this beautiful, highly energetic, amazing life all over again.